When you think about the future of manufacturing, what comes to mind? Electric vehicles, advanced electronics, medical devices, industrial automation? Here's something they all have in common. Behind every breakthrough product is a material that's making it lighter, stronger, smarter, and more sustainable. That material is increasingly engineering plastics. Welcome to Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring how engineering plastics are powering the future of manufacturing, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding and what it means for future-ready businesses.
Manufacturing is undergoing one of its biggest transformations in decades. Electrification is redefining vehicle design. Electronics are becoming smaller, faster, and more complex. Healthcare devices demand greater precision, and manufacturers everywhere are under pressure to improve sustainability while reducing costs. These trends are creating new performance expectations that traditional materials often struggle to meet. Engineering plastics are stepping in to bridge that gap, delivering lightweight designs, thermal stability, chemical resistance, electrical performance, and greater design flexibility. The conversation is no longer simply about replacing metal with plastic. It's about enabling the next generation of products.
One of the biggest shifts happening in this industry is that innovation is no longer taking place in isolation. It's happening across an entire ecosystem. Polymer producers are developing advanced materials. Compounders are tailoring formulations for specific applications. Processors are improving manufacturing precision, and OEMs are collaborating with material suppliers much earlier in product development. Why? Because today's competitive advantage isn't created by materials alone. It's created when every participant in the value chain works together to solve increasingly complex engineering challenges. The result is faster innovation, better product performance, and shorter time to market.
Another major force transforming the industry is sustainability. For years, the focus was on producing high-performance materials. Today, organizations are asking a broader question. How can we create high-performance materials that are also circular? That shift is accelerating investment in recycled feedstocks, chemical recycling, bio-based polymers, and circular manufacturing ecosystems. At the same time, manufacturers are exploring ways to reduce waste, improve resource efficiency, and extend product life cycles. Sustainability is no longer just a compliance objective. It's becoming a catalyst for material innovation.
Several emerging technologies are creating exciting new opportunities. Additive manufacturing, or industrial 3D printing, is enabling customized, low-volume production with unprecedented design freedom. Mold and color technologies are eliminating painting processes, improving manufacturing efficiency while reducing environmental impact. And regional manufacturing initiatives, particularly in rapidly growing economies like India, are creating new opportunities across polymer production, compounding, and advanced processing. Together, these trends are reshaping not only what manufacturers produce, but how they produce it.
Perhaps the biggest lesson from today's market is that resilience has become just as important as innovation. Organizations are diversifying supply chains, localizing manufacturing, and strengthening collaboration across the value chain. They're also aligning material development with emerging industries like electric mobility, advanced electronics, and smart manufacturing. The companies that succeed won't simply introduce better materials. They'll build stronger ecosystems that accelerate innovation while adapting to changing customer and market needs.
If there's one takeaway from today's discussion, it's this. Engineering plastics are no longer just manufacturing inputs. They're strategic business assets. They influence product performance. They enable sustainability. They strengthen supply chain resilience. And increasingly, they determine how quickly organizations can innovate. The manufacturers that lead the next decade won't simply choose better materials. They'll build growth strategies around them, because the future of manufacturing won't be shaped only by the products companies create. It will be shaped by the materials that make those products possible. Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear headed and growth ready.